every time I walk to school, our bags might get stolen. So what I need to do is I always need to put my backpack on my back whilst we're playing around in the park. That's really annoying because let's say you're playing it and then you want a drink, you've got to pause the game, get the water bottle out your bag, drink something, and then put it back in the bag, which is really annoying. And then you can also get these camel bag things where the idea is that you can just wear a bag, so your backpack, and with the strap you can just you can just have a drink like that. And I thought that was really cool and it would be very handy. So these are always quite expensive, so I decided to make my own. So this is that camel bag thing. Yeah, just here it says camel bag, da 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 da. And it's from Camelback, and you can get all the different designs. And you can see just here it's got that drinking straw thing, and then that is embedded in the strap, and then there's like a water tank somewhere inside of this. And these can get really expensive, like that. £170. £170. Really expensive. So I decided to 3D print my own, which is so much less expensive. But then I realised something. If I have the water bottle and the straw, as you can see here, then water just keeps coming out of the straw. So you need some sort of cap for the straw. So that's why I decided to make a 3D model version. Just wanted to quickly say that all of the stuff I use here I'm going to reuse. So even though it's a plastic straw, silicone straw even, and a plastic bottle, I'm still going to keep reusing it so it's environmentally friendly. Right, I'm here to design a cap cover for the water bottle to make sure that nothing comes out. I'm going to be using the iPad 3D modelling software Shaper 3D. I highly recommend it and it's great. So this is what I've designed here. If I just move it around a bit, you can see, and it always covers the top of the straw, so nothing can get out the straw. And since I just got a 3D printer for Christmas, which I absolutely love, and since I love making stuff, I thought I'd 3D print this. I just wanted to super quickly say please subscribe, really helps me out, and also smash that like button. But try not to break your screen. And you can always unsubscribe if you want to, and it just really helps me out. Thank you. After that, I did some sewing, and that was just to make a straw guide. So on the side of my backpack, the straw just knows where to go really, and I sewed that in. So now we've got the straw on the backpack, and we've got the water bottle attached to the backpack through the water bottle holder on the side. So now all we really need to do is just to slide the straw in and then just test it out. This has been super fun, super great, and I'm really happy that's finally worked. And please don't forget, please subscribe, it really helps me out. Thanks guys. Now let's test it. So up here is like the tube guide. Now I just need to fit it in. So you put the water bottle in there, and then this is the guide bit. You just take the cap off for a second, and then guide the straw through. Oh. So when you feed that through, that's pretty much done. So now I just need to put the straw on there. So let's do that. Right, so I've just filled the water bottle with some water, and I've got the thing right here. So I'm just going to bag up, rest it up here. So first, let's put the tube in. Right, so now if we put the... Oh, no. I'm just going to hold this. Where is the cap? So just before I designed this cap, this 3D printed cap, which stops any water for coming out when we are not using it. So I just need to slot the cap on here. There we go. Right, oh no, I hope it fits. Right, cap fits. Does water bottle? Yes, it does. So now, if I put this on, and we can move that there, move this here, can I then? Oh, this is gonna be so good. This is gonna be so good. Right. So let's say just running. Feel a bit thirsty. It works. That is so cool. I'm so happy it works. Right, so there you have it. So happy with this. Definitely gonna wear that to school, and I'll let all of you guys know how it goes. I just think it's so cool, really. It just really works. It works so well, and it was a really fun make. If you want to 3D print this, I will leave a link to a website where you can download this, and then you can send that to your 3D printer. Just want to say, please subscribe. It really, really, really helps me out, and it's free. But yeah, apart from that, thank you so much for watching this video.